Hi everyone, this is Alex from Zerion. Today I'm going to show you how to bridge into Scroll, which is a new L2 that Zerion now supports with the Zerion browser extension. So basically you can see here I'm on rhino.fi, even if this button is covering up the part of their logo. Rhino.fi is one of the leading bridges that supports Scroll at the moment. So basically I'm connected using Optimism and the Zerion test wallet here. I'm using Optimism, and what I'm going to do is bridge to Scroll, and I'm going to swap, basically use Ethereum on Optimism to receive Ethereum on Scroll here. So if I go and I type in 0.025, it's going to show me that I basically get the same amount back, but there's obviously a bit of a cost attached to actually completing this transaction. One thing I like about Rhino is it tells you how much time you're going to save. This is not a Zerion feature. This is just a Rhino feature that I like. And it also tells you how much ETH you're going to save versus using another bridge out there. So if I go to hit bridge here, basically I'm going to have to sign this transaction. You actually just saw it. It showed up very briefly, but there was a moment where you could see what's called a little message that said analyzing. This is actually our transaction simulation. And so what you're looking at here is a simulated view of what's actually going to occur. This is just another way you can check yourself to make sure you're staying safe as you explore Web3 so that you're not getting adding an extra zero or signing a fake contract or something like that. So in this case, rhino.fi is pretty trustworthy, and we're going to go ahead and confirm it. So what's happening now is the transaction is being submitted. And I like that Rhino gives you, a lot of bridges do this, Orbiter also does this, but they basically give you kind of the two-step process. So you can see now that this has actually happened, and the withdrawal is happening now. So soon it's going to pass it over to Scroll Network. And so basically this has been initiated. It's going to take about a minute to do. If I open up the Zerion extension here, I'm going to go to all networks. First of all, this is what our extension looks like. You can see the Ethereum tokens that we have across all the different chains. We actually already have some Ethereum on Scroll, so that's how it looks inside the wallet itself compared to the other networks. There you go. And so there you have it. The first part of the transaction has taken place. You can see we've sent Ethereum, on Optimism, and it was about 0.025, and we got back 0.024 on Scroll. And so you can see down here, if I click on this, you can see which chain, how much money was exchanged, where it came from, as well as digging into the Explorer and the hash a bit. So this just is basically how you get access to the wonderful ecosystem happening on Scroll. So I hope you check it out and do it inside Zerion. Thanks.